Hi, I am Suganya, Assistant Professor in Department of SNS Administration in Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see about recursive function used in Python. Okay, what is meant by recursive function? So this function is a fundamental function and the important concept used in the Python statement. So okay, what does mean that recursive function? So it going to divide the entire problem into the smaller problems. So it going to divide every program into the smaller piece of program. So after dividing the smaller piece of program, what it going to do? So again the function going to call itself. That is the main beauty of recursive function. So the function call itself is called as a recursive function. Okay, where we are going to apply the recursive function in Python means some statements will be executed more than 10 times. That time we can use the concept of looping. Okay. Any other example for recursive function means, so this is same as a looping statement, but what it's going to do is, like for example, to find the factorial of a given number. So we want to find the factorial of a given number. The number may be of 3 factorial means the result of 3 factorial leads into the 3 into 2 factorial. So the 3 factorial is going to call again the 2 factorial. To find the value of 2 factorial, I need to calculate 2 into 1 factorial. So this is the example of the recursive function. Okay, we are going to see the program for the recursive function. So the basic one, how we are going to calculate the sequence, calculate the sum of the sequence given to you. So here I want to calculate the sum from the sequence 1 to 5. So I need to calculate the sum from 1 to 5. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. What is the result of this? We are going to apply the recursive function in the calculation of sum of the series from 1 to 5. How we are going to calculate? That is the concept here. So for defining the function, we use the default things will be def, that is define. Here I am going to mention the function name. I am given the function name as some recursive bracket. I need to pass some value here. So the value may be of number. So here I need to check whether the number may be equal to 0 means what I have to do. So here I have to check the condition. So the value may be of 1 or the value may be of 0 means I need to return the value as 1. Okay. In case if it is not there, else return, I need to add the given value and I need to call the sum of recursive with minus 1 of the value. How it is working? So I need to calculate the value from 1 to 5 here. So the number value may be of 5. So the value is checking with equal to 1. So here 5 is equal to 1. It is not. So that is for this condition leads to the false statement. So this is also lead to the false statement. So this kind of code is not executed. So it has automatically transferred into the else part, that is return number value may be of 5 plus it again going to call the sum of recursive n minus 1. So number value will be of 5 and minus 1 will be of 4. So again going to calculate the value for 4. So this operation leads to the continue till 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5. So this result only we are going to get in after execution of these statements. So this is the simple concept in the recursive function. So like that we are going to calculate the factorial of the given number also. How we are going to calculate the factorial of the given number? That is the 3. So for that also I am going to create the function factorial. So I am passing the value as n. So the n value will be of 3. So here I am checking the condition, that is n equal to 1 or, so maybe n equal to 1 means the value, that is the 1 factorial value will be of 1. So I need to return the value as 1. Else, so again what we are going to do is return the n value into, so again going to call the function, that is factorial n minus 1. So what it is going to do is 3 into 2 factorial. So again we are going to calculate the value for 2 factorial. Finally we get the result as 3 into 2 into 1. So that is 6 as the result for the 3 factorial. Okay, in this video we have discussed about recursive function with the example of how we are going to calculate the sequence from 1 to 5 and also see the program for factorial of a given number. Thank you.